Installing a memory module. Locate the required memory module slot on the system board. Open the retaining clip at each end of the memory module slot. Align the memory module with the slot and use both hands to firmly push both ends of the memory module straight down into the slot until the retaining clips snap into the locked position. Reinstall the required front or rear air baffle. For configurations with a drive cage, work through the following actions. If necessary, reinstall the flash power module and reconnect the flash power module cable. For configurations with a front OCP cage, work through the following actions. Make sure that the OCP cable is connected to the system board, and then route the OCP cable through the front air baffle and reinstall it on the front OCP cage with screws. Reinstall the front OCP module. Make sure that all the required cables are routed and connected correctly, and then reinstall the top cover. Reinstall the node into the chassis.